It's a battle royale. I'm staying 10 steps ahead of you. Playing Apex Legends, you ain't know that I'm an Apex Predator. Killing and sniping the competition. You ain't not anywhere near my level. I'm fragging anybody up against me, then I bury you. Better go get the shovel. This ain't for the weak, this for the elite. I'm a beast. Let me reload and wipe out my enemies. I'm a boss. I am number one. Honestly.
What's up, guys? It's Sobe TV. Today's video, I want to do a review on the Fancierstudio Chroma Key green screen. I ordered this just the other day and I just got it in today, so I want to do an unboxing and kind of do a little review on it and set it all up. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so I like this green screen a little bit more because I did order one of the other green screens, like the fabric cloth ones, and I didn't really like it. The material just seemed kind of cheap, and it just didn't work out too well for me. Plus the one I ordered was a little bit too big, and this one just seemed a little bit better. I didn't want to spend as much money on the Elgato one that was like 150 bucks, and this one just seemed ideal for what I wanted to do because it was only 40 bucks and it was a good deal. So I'm gonna open it up. I got it today. Let's see what it looks like inside. You get a little neat case with it. It's kind of cool. Oh, that's kind of nice. Actually, kind of heavy and sturdy. Oh, okay. So just, wow. Okay, so it just pops all out. Holy cow. Okay. So that does that is just expandable quite easy. Holy cow. I was not expecting that. God dang. It just freaking, I don't know how they got it in there that good. But it is supposed to be collapsible. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up, and I'll be right back in a few seconds, guys. 1 second. Alright, I'm back, guys. I got the green screen set up. It looks pretty decent. I like the quality overall. It's pretty nice because I know you noticed from the other video, it just kind of popped right out of the package that came out. It looks pretty smooth. I mean, I don't really see no pixelation or anything like that. I did another video where I had a different green screen that I ended up returning because I just didn't like it. It just didn't work out like right. And this one, it's fairly nice. This one is also double-sided. I can do it and flip it over, and it's blue, and it's pretty nice. So if you have any questions or anything on how to set this up, feel free to leave a comment below. It's a pretty easy process, though, when you want to set it up inside of OBS. All you got to do is set up a chroma key filter, and you just right-click on your video camera device and to do that. And let me go ahead and show you what it looks like when I don't have it enabled. I'll go ahead and turn my filter off, and you can slowly see my green screen appear right here behind me. And this is the green screen. It's actually pretty good. As I said, it's completely collapsible, so it'll fold right down. Now what I did was I have a PVC pipe behind it that's like 8 feet long. That way I can lean it against each side of the wall and kind of support it where I want to, because it is, as I said, it is collapsible. So I put a PVC pipe and I slide it in and slide it out when I want to use it. Alright, guys, so I'm back. I got my Fancierstudio green screen hung up on the wall. I turned my filter off. I got to figure out exactly how I want to hang it and get it in the best angle for me to work. It does have a couple little hook things on the top that you can hang it and mount it somehow. And as I was saying, what I did was I have a 8-foot piece of PVC pipe that I have on the little hangers. So then what I'm going to do is either put like mounting things on the ceiling or somewhere on the wall, so then that way I can just hang it and have whatever height I need to do for it. And I really enjoy this one. The other one that I bought, if you watch my other video, it was made out of a cheaper material. I didn't really like the material. It seemed like it had a lot of, like, I don't want to say debris, but little like stuff all over. I opened it up and it had all these like fuzzies all over the curtain already. You know, it was like a curtain. So I ended up returning that one. Got this one for 40 bucks, a little bit more money. And I'm kind of happy with it. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna get it back into that little case that it came in. I don't know if I'm able to. That's why I put it up here against my wall for now, because I got to figure out how exactly I'm going to mount it and hang it. Excuse me. And that's one of the main reasons I wanted a green screen, was so I can later do better videos for you guys overall. Now, if you have any questions on how to set up your chroma key inside of Streamlabs or OBS, feel free to leave a comment below. Stop on my Twitch. I stream pretty much every day. I start at 9 p.m. Eastern, so make sure you stop in, and I'll try to help you out as much as I can. It's fairly easy to do. So if you're inside like Streamlabs OBS or OBS, you right click on your video device and go to filters and chroma key, and yeah. If not, I'll have another video later how to do it, or as I said, stop on my Twitch. It's just as easy as that. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. You have a good day. Later.